This is no surprise if you own a home or want to own one. RBC says that is now less affordable than it has been at any point in the last 8 years. Sorry to say this, but here in the GTA, the news is even worse. While homeowners in Vancouver still spend more of their income on their mortgage, property tax, and utilities than we do, that percentage is increasing the fastest here. In fact, the third quarter of 2016 was the first time in nearly 2 years we actually beat Vancouver. Despite all that, there is no shortage of buyers, though. Michelle Chung spoke to a real estate agent today about what sales are looking like now.
December is usually a quiet month for real estate, but what's this December been like?
Yeah, I mean, they're still seeing a lot of activity there. I mean, as far as the listings go, there hasn't been a lot of product coming out. We're still seeing a lot of activity, especially on the buyer end. A lot of people still looking to buy this December, which, you know, maybe you haven't seen in past years. And you're still seeing a decent amount of supply. I mean, compared to the rest of the year, it's obviously a little bit slower, but been a little bit more active this year than in previous years.
Okay, I just want to break that down a little bit. But
Sure.
so why do you think, though, that there's more people that are looking in December when usually they'd be taking the month off?
Right, I think everyone's trying to get a deal in this Toronto marketplace. Like, the deals maybe don't really exist, and they've heard that historically speaking, December might be the time, or December, January, February might be the best months to buy, because historically the prices are lower. The reality being that, you know, some people don't actually want to sell in those months, so they think they might get a little bit of a steal in this Toronto marketplace. It's really hard to find that.
Okay, you're saying, though, that you think that supply has actually been pretty good.
Well, actually, no, supply's been, you know, it's been low all year, and we're actually still seeing in the month of December, for example, I was in an offer night where there was 7 competing offers with my offer for a property that actually ended up selling for over $2 million. So there's quite a bit of demand and a lack of supply that's actually driving this continual marketplace. Yeah.
Okay, what advice then do you have for people who are looking in the marketplace at this time, or should they wait?
Well, that's a great question. I mean, no one has a crystal ball. No one actually knows what the future is going to be of the marketplace. In my humble opinion, I still think that the best time to plant a tree 20 years ago, but planting one right now wouldn't be the worst idea, just because, in my humble opinion, again, the market's not slowing down. So if you're worried about something happening in 2017, it's not necessarily likely going to happen.
Right, so in other words, if you're looking now, should you continue to look then? Like, I guess you shouldn't give up. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I think if you, especially, you know, with the rates, you know, potentially going up in 2017 again.
Interest rates.
Interest rates, sorry, yeah. Interest rates potentially going up again in 2017. It might not be the worst time to buy. Well, you locked in at a lower rate, based on the fact that, you know, the market still seems to be going up at a pretty crazy level. So buying now, you'll still see an appreciation in your product once you buy it.